Making money online is a great way to make passive income. It can be challenging to get started because there are so many options. So, we've outlined the top passive income opportunities. Let's get started. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Online courses. If you're an expert in a certain area or industry, you should sell online courses. This is a great passive income idea. And you have total control over pricing. Number 2. Sell digital products. Digital products are media assets that cannot be physically touched. It's usually downloaded files. Because there is no inventory or storage expenses, digital products usually have huge profit margins. It only needs to be created once, and you can sell it over and over again. Number 3. Buy a profitable website. Number 4. Email marketing. Number 5. Ebooks. Anyone with expertise in an area can produce an ebook. There are plenty of free steps online to assist you. Or, if need be, find book writers and editors that can aid in the process. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular passive income sources nowadays is affiliate marketing. The plus side is that practically all major brands have affiliate programs, so you can sell really well-liked goods and make great money. Before you start, you should be sure to perform some research on the top affiliate marketing programs. We have articles on online passive income ideas in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 7. Print on demand. This is another excellent online passive income idea. You can quickly sell things with your own designs, by using print on demand. The manufacturing, fulfillment, and shipping are handled by someone else. This frees you up to concentrate on branding and marketing your company. Number 8. Subscription-based services. Number 9. Sponsored mentions. Number 10. Buy a profitable app. Consider buying apps as a passive income source. Apps is a terrific method to make money online. If you get your hands on one that people adore and use frequently, this is another great way to make serious money. Number 11. Online dividend paying stocks. This can be a terrific method to generate passive income. You effectively get paid for owning a piece of the company. Additionally, you'll profit even more if the value of that stock increases. Be cautious. Investing comes with a certain amount of risk. But, if you're searching for a passive income plan that can earn you money, this one is something to think about. Number 12. Blogging. While blogging about your knowledge and skills, if you can grow your audience enough, you can earn a sizable amount from ads, which will allow you to earn passive income even when you're not blogging. Number 13. Software development. Number 14. Sell products on your website. Selling physical goods online has a tremendous advantage of allowing you to automate a lot of the process. And once you get going, there are companies out there that take care of your production and fulfillment, allowing you to concentrate on other areas of your online business. As you can see, there are several online passive income options. And the possibility of long-term income makes them appealing. Find the one that best meets your personal and financial goals. If this video was valuable, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more Millionaire videos for you.